Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Technical. In this video, I'll be talking about the how to unlock the POCO X3 device using the Bluetooth fitness bands. So yes friends, you can actually unlock the POCO X3 device without even using the fingerprint scanner or the Face ID unlocking, just by connecting the Bluetooth fitness band, as you can see right now. So you can find that kind of settings which is available in the passwords and security in the POCO X3 device. So where if you go here, so there's an option called unlock with Bluetooth devices. So only few of the Bluetooth devices will be supported with this kind of unlocking. So you cannot use Bluetooth earphones or earbuds or anything, headphones. So you can only use fitness bands like MI Band 4, MI Band 5 and smartwatches only to unlock the smartphone. So during this time, definitely your Bluetooth will be should be turned on to activate this kind of unlocking. So now let me try to demonstrate friends. Right now the fingerprint scanner is locked here. So let me try to turn on the screen lock. As you can see, let me try to click here. As you can see this kind of small icon which is there on the top. So that means the device is unlocked using the Bluetooth device. As you can see friends, you do get that kind of message. So in terms of the security and privacy issues, it's not that good to use this kind of option, because the Bluetooth fitness band can connect to the phone maybe close to 5 to 10 meters of range. So anyone can any person can actually they open your phone even when the Bluetooth fitness band is close by, so without your knowledge. So maybe that can be some inconvenience for a few users, but this is another faster way to unlock the device. So whenever you are having the fitness band, so that means you're having the phone with you as well. So that's also another advantage and disadvantage as well. So advantage is like faster way to unlock the mobile phone instead of a traditional way using the fingerprint and the Face ID unlocking. And the disadvantage is that the security and privacy concerns if you're using this kind of unlock using the Bluetooth device method. So that's it for this video friends. It's a small part which I did want to cover in separate video, so that's why I did a video on this one. And there is another video coming up with the Face ID unlocking. What are the tips and tricks you need to know? So make sure to follow that video as well. And in case if you want to know what type of launcher I'm using, this iOS 14 launcher in the POCO X3, so which is very good. I did a video on that one as well, so try to check that iOS 14 launcher if you are interested. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.